Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2018 Lexus ES 350 Premium. Very nice silver color here, nice metallic. The hyper gray wheels, Michelin tires all the way around, only two previous owners on this one. Beautiful automatic daytime running lights, and all LED automatic for headlights, fog lights, and DRLs, front and rear park assist. Comes powered by the 2G RFE V6, the most reliable V6 out there on the market. Just an excellent motor, super reliable. This is a tank of a vehicle. This thing could last you 500,000 miles if you properly take care of it. Comes with tinted windows, keyless smart entry, four-wheel disc brakes, ultimate luxury inside, full leather interior, power windows, locks, mirrors, dual power seats, heated and ventilated front seats, even has the illuminated Lexus logo for the kick plate. All factory floor mats throughout, the original owner's manual. Super clean dashboard, smoke and pet free interior. Comes with that nice analog clock, and then dual climate controls, automatic AC, HD radio, rear backup camera, and navigation system. Full sub menus for just complete car care, so climate, radio, nav, maintenance at the dealer, everything is located in that screen. And then up top here we have our heated and ventilated front seats. We even get a heated steering wheel. Also eco, normal, sport modes, automatic transmission. Got an 8 or should be an 8 or 10-speed transmission in here, so your fuel economy is really good. And then it comes with auxiliary connectivity, USB connectivity, Bluetooth of course, illuminated vanity mirrors, LED map lights, dome light. We got an SOS system, auto dimming frameless rear view mirror with home link, so if you can connect your garage door to it. All automatic windows up and down across all four doors. And then you also get blind spot detection. You get adaptive cruise control, you get lane keep assist, you get all the latest safety suite systems, and then you get rear AC, a nice fold down armrest with dual cup holders, and then that beautiful perforated leather. I mean, it's so supple, it's so firm, nobody has ever sat in the back seat. I would even dare to say the passenger front seat. It is that clean. This is like a brand new vehicle, certified pre-owned out of Lexus of Clearwater. Comes with the spare tire, tools jack, backup camera, everything equipped. The dual exit exhaust, the park assist, shark fin antenna, paint's in great condition. Just flawless interior. This is one classy ride. This is a Toyota Avalon wrapped in the Lexus package, and this one is so reliable. You get luxury, reliability, looks, everything. You get it all here in the Lexus ES. So power windows, locks, mirrors, tri-memory seat settings, blind spot detection, park assist, and auto high beams. So there's our auto headlights, fog lights, interval front wipers. We get auto sensing rain wipers with the nice wood grain trim steering wheel, cruise control, and then adaptive lane keep, Bluetooth, voice command, all the good stuff. So everything's working. No warning lights on the dash, backup cameras there. Comes with an active eco mode. Nice rev, smooth idle, 109,000 original miles. That AC is just ice cold, especially on this cold day. really cold there. And then here's the ventilated for the seats. So everything feels really good. We got to turn that back off. It's way too cold. But super clean. Everything's working. It's got the original OEM windshield, no cracks, no chips. This thing's ready to go. If you want the ultimate vehicle, this is it, folks. You can get reliability, luxury, and classic good looks all in one vehicle. It's the ultimate car, the 2018 Lexus ES 350 Premium, that you can find exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.